Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Quest. Today we are going to talk about the collective unconscious. Have you ever felt drawn to a story, a symbol, or even an idea without knowing anything about it, without knowing why? Or have you noticed recurring themes in your dreams or in your life or across cultures in the collective? So, Carl Jung called this the collective unconscious, a layer of the psyche shared by all humans, containing universal patterns, symbols, instincts, archetypes, and a lot more. Today, we'll explore what the collective unconscious is on a basic level, how it influences our thoughts, behaviors, and dreams, and why understanding it can change the way we live. What is the collective unconscious? Jung divided the unconscious into two parts, the personal unconscious and the collective unconscious. So, the personal unconscious stores forgotten memories, suppressed experiences, and repressed emotions which are unique to you. The collective unconscious, however, is universal. It contains archetypes, recurring symbols, themes, and instincts that appear across all cultures and times. These are encoded in our psyche. These aren't just learnt experiences. Jung believed that these are inherited, passed on generation to generation, encoded in our psyches like a psychological DNA which is shared by humanity. That's fascinating. How it impacts our life, though. So, whether you have studied psychology or never studied psychology, the collective unconscious will affect you on an everyday basis. Dreams often use archetypal imagery. For example, a dream about a dark forest may symbolize facing the unknown, which is a universal motive. Intuition, gut feelings, and instincts are influenced by these shared psychic structures. Cultural myths, art, and religion often resonate because they reflect these unconscious patterns. It's so interesting that much of what we feel drawn to, what we fear or aspire to, is shaped not just by our own personal experiences but by a shared human psyche. Archetypes and personal growth. So, archetypes are like universal templates of human experience. So, there are a few key ones: the shadow, the hero, and the wise old man or woman. So, the shadow is our hidden, rejected, or denied traits. Facing it leads to self awareness. The hero is the journey of overcoming obstacles seen in myths and personal challenges. And the wise old man or woman represents guidance, inner wisdom, or mentor like figures who help us on our journey. So, by understanding these archetypes in ourselves and others, we can understand recurring life patterns, improve relationships, and navigate challenges with greater insights. Dreams, symbols, and the collective unconscious. So, Jung believed that dreams are a direct link to the unconscious. So, a dream about falling, being chased, or maybe encountering animals might reflect universal symbols rather than your personal history. So, pay attention to these patterns, and you can then reveal, after analysis, hidden fears, desires, or potentials that you haven't consciously acknowledged. Symbols from art, movies, and even social media can resonate deeply because they echo this shared unconscious layer. So, recognizing these patterns helps us understand ourselves and our cultures better. So, here are a few practical takeaways. How can you use the concept of the collective unconscious in your everyday life? Start by observing recurring patterns in dreams. So keep a dream journal where you write down, what you dream about, and note the recurring symbols or themes across your dreams. Reflect on strong emotional reactions. So you need to have self-awareness wherein if something deeply moves you or disturbs you, ask yourself, is this personal or am I tapping into something universal which has been, passed on, perhaps inherited? Engage with myths, stories, and archetypal themes. Art, literature, movies, social media, and there are so many arenas now which can reveal unconscious patterns in safe ways. So engage and find out. Integrate your shadows. Facing your hidden traits increases self awareness and emotional balance. By understanding these universal forces, we gain clarity on our behaviors, choices, and emotional responses. So think about it. Carl Jung's collective unconscious reminds us that we are not just isolated islands or individuals. We are part of a vast, shared human psyche that shapes our instincts, dreams, and even the way we perceive reality. By exploring it, we not only understand ourselves better, but we also connect more deeply with the human experience as a whole.